Hello guys, I'm going to be opening this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Lego sets. And I'm gonna build them on this Lego table. I'm not even kidding, it's a Lego table. Before that, I'm so happy that I got this Lego table because I could finally play on it. But before that, I'm going to be building these. What should we start with? Maybe this one. Wait a minute, it's kind of hard to open. Oh, that's stretchy. Oh no. Oh no, that's stretchy. It's hard to open because it's stretchy. Oh, there we go. Desktop and the mom's currently in an office meeting. Oh, here are the Legos. So, and then, oh no. What the? What is this black sheet? That's kind of sus. Nah, I don't mind it. No, no. Oh, never mind. It's just really big. Oh my gosh, here are the tires. The tires. Oh, this piece. I love pieces like this. They're so unique. Also this one. I love unique pieces. This one and this one. What the? Look at this Lego piece like. Literally. It says here made in China. I hate stuff that comes from China. They're plastic. Don't mind them. Oh my gosh, they got together in the packaging. Oh, there we go. I need to open the other one. Wait, let's separate these. There we go. Oh my gosh, the circle parts are wrong. Oh, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hindi connected sa YouTube channel ni Mami. Oh my gosh, no. And then this
Set ay
piece.
service grade medyo na yun.
1 and then 2.
Ito kasi siya. So, naka-service fees siya. So, ito yung total mo.
Okay.
Ay. May pa ba dapat? Ayan. So, 3275.
You know what? Let's
Credit
just
siya
skip
as
to the wheels
service
first.
fees.
Because
Ayan.
I'm
Service
sure
fees siya, pero pag
there's
sinet mo
wheels
yung
on this.
RHPs, most of
Oh
them-
my gosh.
Oo. So,
I mean, that already leads to wheels, right? There can't be any
Pero
attachments.
credit. Oo.
And
mga CIP.
This should be on the wheel already. Why do they need to like separate them? Does anyone know?
Oo. So, abnormal talaga siya na. Last tama.
Like the wheel and the thing in the middle?
O hindi. Pero mukha pa sa CIP, EPS, CPTech. Si mga CIP, ay
Oh no. There we go.
ano, wala rin. Pero, nakalagay siya sa,
Oh my gosh,
sa
that's kinda hard.
intravehicle na ano.
Ah, there we go.
Ito, hindi, ito yan. At yung pangalan niya, intravehicle na reglas. So, kinopya ko lang siya kung paano siya ginawa actually last year. Pero,
Oh guys, wait a minute. Yo, I have a crazy plan. Oh, never. Oh, I put these ramps, the unique ramps, here on each side. But don't worry, guys. We're gonna remove them. Don't get mad.
description niya.
There.
Ayun, oo. Nakalagay mga intra-allocations.
Oh my gosh, no. It's
So,
failed.
ano talaga siya?
So, baba.
CS Hub, yan, intra-allocations. Nakalagay mismo na intra. Tapos may kita mo si West Manila. So, Manila talaga yung counterpart.
No. Page.
Ito, baka hindi intra. Baka hindi intra yung power sa kanya. Pero, various.
Oh my gosh, there's so many bees.
Ng service fees.
What the?
What?
What?
ROHQ as customer. Pero,
How am I
ginagamit
supposed
yung
to read
na
this?
service fee.
Look at the book. It's. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wait, I thought it was a book. Oh, you need to open it. Now I get it. What the? Oh my gosh.
Inter-recoveries, production. Oh, ito yung
It's a
talaga
little
yung
complicated.
mga nakatag
A3.
Management fees. So, service fees
Oh.
tong buong tong
Stickers,
buong
cool.
to. Tapos, niliglas natin to management fees.
One.
Kasi lahat to,
What?
ROH
Oh,
as
two.
customer.
Phew.
EPS charges siya.
Wait, what if I do this?
ROH as customer, the service provider.
Oh, wait, I can't. They're blocks.
Customer.
Two of these. Two of those. One, two.
Ayun na lang muna.
What the? Huh? Oh, there. Oh, wait, I really do need two of these. Oh, four. Oh my gosh, I did it accidentally. I did it correct accidentally like that. Oh my gosh. Why didn't? Oh no. Oh no. That did not just happen. The back, I put this. This and where's that? Guys, you know what I'm doing right now? I'm just looking at the next picture when I'm confused.
Management.
Oh, there we go.
Ano naman siya, naman na naka-management fee talaga. Kasi ATS, ano rin, CU rin lahat is. GFTS naman, global GFTS, lahat sila. Hindi. Management fee talaga siya. Pero naka-credit balance. Booking talaga siya. Oo, same yun.
I need to
As
these
in,
flat
Basta
thingies.
pangalan niya ay global GFTS. Lahat. Parang global GFTS yung business.
Huh? Oh,
Oo, management.
okay.
Global functioning, alam ko yun.
Oh, I need 3 of them. Oh, used it up. Oh. So there.
Sige lahat.
What?
And so dalawa yung aanohin ko.
Oh,
Ay, wait,
I'm-
ko naman yung MTN.
I'm coming to
Pakiabot niya. So, ang isip ko.
I'm coming to this problem where I'm kind of
MTN.
getting confused.
Sige,
Oh?
sige. Send ko na lang din yun sa ano. Para wala,
Oh,
para
I
isa
also
na lang ang
need
gagawin
this.
ko. Isa na lang nasa
Phew.
listahan ko. Pabukas naman sa ako. Ng WS. Yep, oo. Sasendan ko din sila. Sila KPMG. Ito, okay lang. First lead ko na lang ito. Yan. Yep. 260. Yep. Ano nga yun?
Okay, this is the hard
Sorry, ano
part.
yun?
Okay.
Ako ba? Ulit, sorry, hindi ko maalala. Yung unang-unang discuss natin. Hindi ba pension? Meron pa, oo. Meron pa akong pending. Oo, yung PFRS 16 actually, kung kahit ko na to, hindi to, oo, yung PFRS 16.
Let's hope I'm doing it correct.
Oo, ayan pa yung initial. Mag-change
Oh, yeah,
yan.
yeah.
Oo, mag-change talaga yan. Kasi, eto, yung 16, doon na zero out niya tong ROU finance list.
Oh, that overlaps so bad.
Ay, sorry.
Never mind, I'll mind.
So,
Because it almost hits the wheel.
ayan, PFRS 16.
Like what if it
Yung
actually
adjustment, yung
does?
kahit 16, mag-change pa yan kasi may impact pa dyan yung 402 test.
Okay.
Uh,
I need these unique parts.
Oo, kasi may sinasabi rin.
I know you lie.
Eto, actually, etong line na to.
And one of those again. Oh, phew. Okay.
Oo, ayan yung eto kasi, kung kahit na to, ayan, quick question din yan ni KPMG. Kasi pag makikita mo dito, meron na siyang balance na 415, nag-debit pa siya ng 415. Saktong-saktong amount, so nag-double yung amount. So dapat ata ay ma-zero ba ito? Parang may sinasabi zero kasi last year na audit yan, zero siya. Ang sabi
This can be
ni
looking good.
KPMG, sa discussion,
Not gonna
they
lie.
are expecting the amount to be zero. Ang
Oh my God, so.
nagbaliktad naman yung debit credit niya. Kaya sure na magbabago pa talaga itong PANI 16. Pero malamang
Oh,
feeling ko
damn.
kasi ito na ano niya, na-zero out na namin itong ROU asset. Tapos yung finance list, nag-match na siya sa
Nice.
computation.
Oh my
na
gosh,
siya.
where are those
Tapos yung mga
pieces?
ROU operating asset,
Wallet.
tie-up. na zero na. Pero, hindi ko alam kung paano niya kasi ito binubuo. So, feeling ko, nilalagay niya lang
Phew.
somewhere dito sa mga account sa baba kung alin yung pagbabanggaan niya. Parang dito niya nga, dito basta somewhere dito, or dito. Basta
Okay,
meron
there.
siyang kinagalaw. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan niya nilulubog yung
I
difference
need
niya.
this first.
Ito yung
Because they're
RS16.
small. They said I
Mm.
need to do this.
Yes, oo. Oo, kasi yung
Like that.
local books nila, based
Just
on
kidding.
SDA ata.
I'm not gonna do
So,
that.
hindi sila nag-kemi naman
Connect
operating this asset.
They didn't publish.
Yeah, so, eto, oo, meron kasi siyang, hindi ko alam kasi kung saan, alin ang gagalaw sa kanya dito eh. Oo, may PNL. Kasi itong buong to, mag-change pa to. Plus, meron pang
What?
additional na adjustment na hinihintay.
Oh
Yung
wait,
sa
it's
yung for
wrong.
OPS,
It's wrong. It's wrong.
the recognition. So,
No.
may isang
Oh wait, I'll
kahit
use
plus
this.
itong existing kahit mag-change.
Oh, there we go.
Yung trans, yung
Oh damn, that's way more harder.
oo. Yes, correct. Yung 10th floor na nilipat
Phew.
yung ROH.
Almost lost that piece. It was like a gun.
So,
Damn,
yes. Yes, correct. ROH.
things stick.
Oo. So, dapat, BSDS
Not
lang.
things
Ang
I-
expect ko na adjustment doon. Well, propose din ni, ni pangalan nila, BSDS.
Don't mind the
kasi
eye.
na ROU asset, accumulated, record sila na accumulated or direct pa sila sa
Oh, I
ROU
made the
asset.
block.
And then, debit yung ROU.
You know the block, right?
Pero kasi yun,
And I just made it. Let's go. Nene. Oh my gosh.
wala na dapat. Simula nung,
Oh my gosh.
Simula nung September, yes, wala na. Si ano na yun, si BTS. Tapos, yun nga lang, may impact nga daw kasi yung ego sa calculation ng
Where?
adjustment. So, hindi ko na lang kung saan ipapasok ni Manny
Two,
yung adjustment.
Three.
Pero
No.
kasi nga, pag ginalaw niya yung
Four.
mga BS account niya, gumagalaw rin yung mga PNL niya dito. Pero yan.
Blah, blah,
PNL
blah.
account na nakikita ko sa pag-rate.
Blah,
Pero yan,
blah,
sure na
blah,
sure
blah.
na pinapareglas yan ni ano.
Nene, ay
Para
nene.
ma-zero out yung rate na yan.
Nice.
Sige,
Flat
send
square.
ako nung
I love
updated
that.
na merong pension DTA at saka yung sa service cost DTA. Tapos,
What's the
meron na
clicking
rin
sound?
Sa effect ko naman na yung KPMG audit fee with VAT, yung MTM. Tama din ako yun. Tatlo ako. Adjustment.
And then two of these flat thingies, I just got lucky there that it landed here.
Oh, okay naman na niya. Else.
Blah, blah, blah.
Nilagyan ni net. Nag-net. Zero na yung net.
Oh my god.
Zero na yan.
Oh no. I'm trying to look for the weird made in China piece.
4414.
Yeah, it doesn't need to get attached. It's not even in the instructions. Why did they give me that one?
Isang natitira ko nila na ipagkat na yung isa na yun.
I got why they gave me that for no reason.
Para
I'll
sabihin
take
ko
it.
na lang din
It's already in the package. I can't refund.
na bago. So, para for preference
Like,
din.
Why did you refund this? The cashier bill. Why
Ito,
did
tama na
you
lang. Yung
refund this for
pension,
one simple
ang
one?
mga bill, kapag,
You are
kapag
carrot.
sa kanila yung pension, mag-ano ka dalawa, PPMG o dito, pinag-MPF, LSEC, para ilagay ko sa
Okay,
tali
so
ng
where's
bill,
all?
for quick reference din ni KPMG, na ito yung mga changes sa kanila. Tama na mga apat lang, wala pa kita. Yep. Sige, set ko. Ngayon, i-plot ko lang itong dalawang pension. So, kinubahan naman ako. Pero at least, diba, nare-review na siya na-update ko na yung mga kailangan
Oh.
i-update. Sige, bukas kukulitin ko naman si Manny para sa ano.
Yo guys, this is so hard.
Salamat ng marami, Jeline. Okay. Ano ba? Sige. Oo, sige. Sabihan mo lang din ako. Yep, sure. Oo. Ano oras na yun? Sabi pa ako. Pero sige, text mo lang ako. Oo. Sige,
I forgot to get the other one.
Okay, sige, bye-bye. Yep. Sasend ko naman.
I hope I'm doing this correct. I mean, I'm looking at the instructions. So basically, this is correct. Except if the instructions is wrong itself. There. Ah. Ne.
Saan tayo?
Oh? I'm still vlogging. Okay, there. We put that already. You still have lots of pieces there. And I'm still at A. Oh, here I'm at A7. Two unique pieces again. Oh my gosh, this is so unique. Right there. Now, where is that piece? Yo, no. Oh no, I need to look for that piece, guys. Because they said here ×2. Now they did not just give me the wrong piece. They did not. Oh, there. Oh my gosh, it was written in front of me like here. Oh my gosh. There we go. And by the way, guys, each build this one episode. So this is episode 1 basically. Wait, am I right? Is it like... No, I did it wrong. It's swapped. Nene! Oh, there we go. This is actually not the Lego brand, but it's capable. Capable. It's compatible. Okay, we're doing pretty good so far. I need this. There we go. I'm just looking at the, the next instruction, like what I'm saying earlier. So I could see it properly because I'm not that good in like doing the arrow. So I'm just looking at the location. So I need to these sticks. So I could just put them. It's easier that way. Oh, there we go. I don't like doing that stuff onto like the claw parts because some of them are sensitive. So let's just focus right here. You guys, I'm not done. Oh wait. There we go. 1, 2. Yo guys, this is getting better and better. But the instructions get more complicated. Yeah, great. Don't mind that. Wait, am I done? This. Times 1. Oh, there. Oh, no. No. It needs to fit perfectly there. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, I'm done with A7 and I'm at AA. Okay. Getting closer and closer. A8, I need to rotate it. Oh damn, it's kinda hard because it's rotated. Like you kinda look onto the details. Wait, di ba natapos? One and then 2. There we go. 1, 2 claws. This thing again. I always use that all the time. Like why? Wait a minute. No. Oh wait, I'm done with that. Yeah, like that. And then what are the two studs for? Oh wait. No, I put the wrong piece in. I put the wrong piece in. No. No. Oh no. You know what, I could just combine these two, so yeah, that's fine. Oh, I get it. And then I just basically swapped them. So I think I'm done. Wait, I'm just double checking. Yeah, I'm done. Oh, finally. I finally need these pieces. Like that. Oh, there we go. I'm speed running this now. 1, 2. I don't know when the next episode will come. But yeah, basically, you just need to wait. Don't worry. Episode 2 will come soon. Damn, this look is so cool now. I think I'm at A10 now. A10. 3 more to go, and then this is all finished. Except for this one. It's extra. It's an extra piece. A10. Oh damn. Where the rocket launchers? Oh, to make the rocket launchers. Oh, okay. I didn't see that pretty well. Rocket. Like it's there. This one is a rocket. Times 2. Yeah. Wait. Oh no, it's times 1 already. Now this is so hard to remove. I'm letting it stay like that there. So in case it is needed. Oh, I need to make one of those again. There we go. I need to make one of those again. Then this. Huh? No. And then this. There we go, and then you put that there. Boom, back, bam. Bar back, boom, bam. Oh! In front of this is a. Oh damn! This is so sick. That's sick. That's sick, bro. That's sick. That's it. wait, I need to, yeah, it's a sign. Oh yeah, I need pretty much correct. Wait, it says here I need two. Bro, why did just they put the instruction together? Yun na. Oh yeah, this is looking so cool. This looks so bussin' cool. There we go. Yeah, we need to use a claw again. I really don't like that. As I said, in the like in the middle of the video earlier. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's go, finally, we're almost done. I need these for the finishing touches. Oh, what? That's weird. Oh wait, I put it in the wrong spot. It should be here. Wait, so that means this gray piece that we put in earlier is also in the wrong spot. Oh damn. Damn, nah. Oh there. Phew. I need to do a minor surgery. There we go. Imagine while watching this car actually pops up and then just shoots you like. Yeah, put it there. Put it there. Oh now this car looking sick. Wait, let's skip A13 because we already did it at the start of the video. The wheels on the bus goes round and round. Just kidding. What the? Oh, using these we make this, and with this I put it like here. Oh my gosh guys, the rocket popped on me. That's what I don't like about Lego, it popping up. One time guys, when I still didn't have interest in Lego, I got a very large Lego set that my classmate gave me because that was supposed to be a gift to my other classmate, but that classmate didn't like Lego, so I just, was just standing there, and then he said, "Do you want this?" I said yes, because I love building stuff. And you know what I did? Instead of building that cool thing, I just made it so small. Like I made a small police car, small police plane, like bruh. I don't know what was I thinking that time, but I lost the instructions, so I couldn't reset it, and the extra pieces, I lost all of it. I lost it. Okay. Huh? Then what are these extra pieces for? Now they're just extra? Oh, dang. I need to put them here in my extra pieces jar. And what are these things doing in here? I don't know how that got there. There we go. And then the stickers. And then we're finally done. Oh my gosh, no. That's so cool. Like, it's transparent. Oh gosh, I need to be really sensitive with this. Guys, if you have any suggestion, just comment down below. Oh, there it is. I can't speed it up because I don't want to edit that much. Now let's skip the stickering part. Bye guys, make sure you subscribe.